Om Namo Namaha. Introduction to Leelavati. Mumbai, Sunday, June 28th, 2020. On October 27th, 2015, I had posted a blog post https://ganitaabhyasa.wordpress.com/category etc. mentioning Leelavati is the first part in Siddhanta Shiromani, a treatise on mathematics composed by Bhaskaracharya Dvitiya. There is a verse composed by Bhaskaracharya himself in which he gives date of his birth and the year of his composing Siddhanta Shiromani. The verse is Rasaguna Purnamahi Sama Shakanrupa Samaye Bhavan Mamotpattihi Rasaguna Varshena Maya Siddhanta Shiromani Rachita. This is in Aryavruta. Note that in this verse, Rasaguna Purna Mahisama Shakanrupa Samaye Abhavat Mama Utpattihi Rasaguna Varshena Maya Siddhanta Shiromani Rachitaha. Again, in Rasaguna Purna Mahisama, Rasa equal to 6 because rasas, tastes are 6, namely Katu, bitter, Lavana, salty, Amla, sour, Tiktha, pungent, Kashaya, the taste of alum, Madhura, sweet. Guna means 3 because gunas are 3, Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. Purna equal to 0 because a full circle is symbol for 0. Mahi, 1, because Mahi meaning earth is 1. So Rasaguna Purna Mahi going from right to left becomes 1036. Digits are to be read from right to left because rightmost digit is the unit place and the value increases by power of 10 as we move from right to left. So Rasaguna Purna Mahi Sama means equal to 1036. Then Shakanrupa Samaye. Pratipadikam means Shakanrupa Samaya. Nam. Pullingam Saptami Ekvachanam. Shakanrupa Samaya is Shaka means system of year counting. Nrupa is king. And the king mentioned here is Shalivahana. Shalivahana Shaka started in 78 AD. Hence Shaka 1036 becomes equal to 1114 AD. Samaye, at such time. Abhavat mama utpattihi, happened my birth. Rasaguna varshena maya Siddhanta Shiromani Rachitaha. The treatise Siddhanta Shiromani was composed maya by me, Rasaguna, 36 years Varshena. Leelavati contains 272 verses. First one being a prayer and last one as epilogue, Grantha Samapti. The mathematics covered in Leelavati has a traditional name Patiganitam. The tradition also has it that Patiganitam should be Parikarmashtaka, Trairashika, Mishra, Shredhi, Kshetra, Khata, Krakacha, Rashi, Chaya. Prakaranatmam. We should cover these many topics. That means Patiganitam covers these 9 topics. In Leelavati, the delineation on the 9 topics is preceded by a section on Paribhasha, 7 verses, on definitions and terms. Next, Parikarmashtaka has 21 verses on 8 basic processes, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, square roots, cubes and cube roots. There is also Bhinna Parikarmashtaka, 15 verses, on these 8 processes with भिन्न fractions. शून्य परिकर्माष्टक 3 verses on 8 rules on treatment of zero. Then follow Prakirnaka Trairashika 42 verses, Mishraka Vyavahara 27 verses, Shredhi Vyavahara 18 verses, Kshetra Vyavahara 79 verses on areas, Khata Vyavahara 6 verses, Chiti Vyavahara 3 verses, Krakacha Vyavahara 4 verses, Rashi Vyavahara 5 verses, Chaya Vyavahara 10 verses, Kuttaka 19 verses, Ankapasha 11 verses, and then Grantha Samapti epilogue. Is it not interesting that a subject like mathematics has been detailed in poetry, but the verses are often cryptic and are better explained by udaharanani, illustrative examples, uddeshakaha, exercises. There are many tika granthaha on Lilavati, which each one having its own illustrative examples and exercises. So maybe we will have to pick up udaharanani and uddeshakaha from here and there to study Lilavati, but not all tika grantha, but at least couple of them here and there. Shubhamastu.